Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and grabbing Python 3. 9. You check OS compatibility and download the installer. Make sure the checksum matches to avoid corrupted files. During installation, enable Add Python to Path and include pip. This lets you run Python and pip from the terminal. Once done, open a terminal and run Python version and pip version to verify they respond. If both work, you're ready to create your first virtual environment and avoid system package conflicts. You now build a controlled development environment. Create a venv with Python mvenv. Venv, then activate it, Windows uses. Venv \scripts \activate, Mac OS /Linux use source. Venv /bin/activate. Next, upgrade pip and setup tools so installs are reliable. Pip install upgrade pip setup tools. Install packages with pip install R requirements. TXT or adopt Pypenv or Poetry for lock files and dependency resolution. While installing, watch for binary wheels. If a compile from source fails, you'll need build tools like Visual Studio Build Tools or Build Essential installed. You finish by validating and packaging your project. Run your test suite with Python munitest or pytest to confirm behavior. Once green, prepare metadata in setup. CFG or pipreject. Toml and build a wheel with Python mbuild or pip wheel. To distribute, make sure to bump version and update requirements. If something goes wrong, first confirm you're using the intended Python interpreter and that the venv is activated. Then verify path entries and install any missing binary dependencies. One troubleshooting tip: recreate the venv to clear corrupted environments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.